Hey guys, how's it going? This is the unboxing video for the DJI Phantom 3 Advanced. This is a drone and one of the most popular ones out there right now. And I think this was released this year, 2015, quite recently, and it competes with the 3DR Solo and some other minor drone manufacturers, but DJI by far is the biggest and most popular one. Okay, so what do we get here? GPS vision position system, 3-axis stabilized camera, long range HD live view. Nice. This retails for $1,000, I believe. The DJI standard retails for $700. This one is $1,000, and the Phantom 3 Pro, which is the level above, goes for I think $200 $300 more than that. So these are probably one of the most popular consumer drones out there because of how easy it is to use, and because DJI in general, they have pretty good I think they have more support basically because they're more mature and they've been doing this for a long time. So that's one of the advantages of having this the Phantom versus the other drones. So we get easy to fly, digital HD real time. Okay, so and then you have to download the app as well if you want to use it. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. So you can open it this way. Alright, that's how we lift it. And this is what we get. Okay, what you get inside is the controller. The DJI Phantom controller. This is using the renowned LightBridge technology, which is very good, better than Wi-Fi, I believe, and it extends. The range is pretty good, several miles, I believe. You can pilot it left to right, up and down. You got 3 lock controls here. Return to home, on switch, and a USB port. You got dials for adjusting the camera, and then you got picture recording, and you have some other stuff here. Keep in mind that this is the first drone I ever bought, so I'm not very familiar with this, but I also got this accessory here that lets you replace this one on the back with one that has HDMI. So hopefully you guys can see this. This one has HDMI, and I'm going to do that replacement so that I can have the HDMI video feed as well, so that I can attach something like a heads-up display to it, like my View 6 eyewear video or something like that, or yeah, something similar that'll let me allow it to view more in-depth. So that's the advantage of having HDMI. So that's the controller, and it comes with propellers. Yep, it comes with about 8 of them, so you got 4 backup in case you lose 4. Comes with a wrench and some other accessories like this. I'm not really sure what this is, so I'm not going to comment on that or what that's used for. And then of course you get the adapter, the charger, as well as the manual. And in the manual you get a bunch of stickers, and here's the quick and easy quick start guide and what's in the box. And you have your warranty presumably here as well. I'm going to probably be looking at this later. And of course you have the DJI Phantom itself and the micro USB cable. The DJI Phantom itself, you have to attach the propellers, and this is the battery pack it comes with. The flight battery, 4,480 milliamp hours. It's quite a bit. That's like double that of a smartphone, I think. But even then, it only lasts about 30 minutes. So keep that in mind. This thing takes up a lot of power. So this is a Phantom 3 Advanced. It comes with a micro USB port in front, and of course the renowned DJI camera, which is f2.8, 94-degree field of view, and stabilizing with this nice gimbal here that included. So yeah, DJI right now is the leading drone manufacturer because they offer the drones at such a good value. If you buy the 3DR Solo, you have to buy the drone, then you have to buy the GoPro if you don't have one, and then you have to buy the gimbal separately, and you pretty much have to have it because you want stabilized shots. Whereas DJI Phantom 3 comes with all this included, comes with the drone, comes with the camera, comes with the gimbal, and they do it for less money together. So that's why I chose to have DJI Phantom. Oh, that's what these things are for. I think I can replace them if I ever lose them. That's what the wrench is for. Okay, so yeah, in the future I'll be using this to take some shots, take some video, and show you guys a little bit of the video that I take with the Phantom 3. But anyways, that's what's in this big box here. You get the drone, controller. It doesn't come with this HDMI thing, so you have to buy this one separately. It comes with the manual, additional propellers, and additional stuff for that, for the gimbal, I guess, and the charger, of course. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. My curiosity. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and please subscribe to my videos if you enjoy them, and comment if you have any questions. And as always, thanks for watching.